What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Steffanina here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you a brand new combo. This is to the longest song title I've ever heard in my life. Break up with your girlfriend, I'm bored, ARIANA Grande. Check it out. So this was the most requested tutorial on my Instagram this week. So make sure you find me on Instagram. Let me know what else you guys want to learn at Steffanina. We got so much new stuff happening. By the way, new merch is finally about to drop. I've been working on this for months and months and months and months. It's almost here. So make sure you hit the link down in the description. Put your email in and I'm gonna let you guys know when the pre-orders start. It's gonna be coming really soon. We're just gonna do limited runs of these first few items. I want like my hardcore people to get them first. So make sure you add your email in there. What I've been trying to do lately is really challenge myself as a choreographer and also challenge my dancers, because it's important to keep evolving and growing and mixing in different styles. So take a little more time on this one. Don't get frustrated if you don't pick it up as fast as you did the other ones. This is a really, really tough piece. So once you get it down, make sure you upload your covers so we can check them out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm dropping new tutorials every week. Let us know down in the comments which one you want to learn next. And if you're ready to learn this, break up with your girlfriend, I'm bored, ARIANA Grande. Let's go. All right guys, so let's get started. First of all, we're gonna mirror this video so that when I step on my right, it looks like it's the right on your screen as well. And I'm gonna sing, rap, give you a lot of sounds, basically. The counts in this one don't really help as much as the beats. There's a bass that goes boom, boom, 2 basses, and there's a snare snap sound that goes click, click. So we're gonna mostly be hitting those. So first thing you're gonna do is step out left, right. You're gonna go this-ish, I'm gonna say the edited version so we don't get blocked on YouTube. Down, you're gonna press. You're gonna go out with your right knee, in with your hand and your knee. You're gonna come to your head, to your elbow. You're gonna come up and around your head, and then you're gonna hit down twice on your chest. Boom, boom, and then release it out and around this way. So slowly again, you go 7, 8, there's a little pause, then she says, this-ish always happens to me. Boom, boom, push. Now, right away, we'll go on in a second, but right away, it's really important that you execute this really strong and clean. So make sure that it doesn't look like this. This-ish always happens to me. See how I'm like kind of floating through the movements? You want to stop in every position. So, ta, 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 ha, ha, boom. Then once you get here, now it can have like some groove and some movement, but you want to make that first part really sharp. So then from here, boom, around, you're gonna tap your right heel twice, tap, tap on the snare, snare, it's that snap sound, and then we're gonna punch down, click, and you're just gonna come to here. Then I'm gonna reach out, look to the right, but open my hands to come in, shoot, and then I'm gonna hit up, boom. There's a lot of like aggressive movements in this, if you can't tell. Ariana's being a little cocky, so when you do this, you don't want it to be like here, like no body movement, really basic. You wanna add a hit and a little bit of like a shoulder or something, add your own style to it, boom. Now from here, I'm gonna do something that I don't do very often, and that's go to the floor. Here we go, boom, we're in this together. You're gonna step behind with your right foot, and my right hand goes behind my head. As you do this, you're gonna lower yourself down to here. So there's one other thing that'll help this really read nice, and that's your focus, your eyes. So from here, when I drop, I'm looking to the front. Here, I switch this, I'm still looking front. Then from here, I'm gonna look over to the right, following my hands. I'm gonna follow my hands with my head, and you can even kind of like zoop through. Then you're gonna stay here, I'm still looking at what's going on over here. I'm gonna follow this with my eyes, and then as I come up, unwind out of this, to come into the next groove here. So the good thing about this section is we can actually practice it standing up and then take it down to the floor. So all you're doing is your hands are here, right? You bring them over to the left, flip them, swing them around, grab here, press, circle, trace it through, and then that's gonna stand you up. Now, what gives this part a lot of life and makes it not just look like weird robotic hand movements is your head. So I'm starting here, I'm looking to the front, I'm gonna swing my hands around, and then I'm gonna go down with my head and look at my hands. Then I'm gonna follow my hands around with my head. I'm gonna keep my head here, and then I'm gonna follow this circle and go through, and then I'm gonna come up around. That will make such a big difference in how this looks when you actually go to execute it. So we're gonna keep going on, and then we'll come back and we'll make sure we practice that on the floor in a minute. So after you come up out of this twist, You have a moment to reset. Your hips are gonna go back to the right and around to the front like this. Your hands just come up by your head, and then you do the same groove with your hips, but low. So I'm going here, and then I'm dropping down, and then I'm gonna hit to the front, boom, boom, 2 times. So when you do it to the side like this, it's here, it's around, boom, boom, and it can be more with your arm. You can use your hip. You can kind of style that how you want. You're gonna step on your right and go throw. Then you're gonna look to the front and go press, base, pull that knee in. You're gonna run, run. You're gonna push this away, and then you're gonna come up and hit click. So the timing here, this goes ka, doom, doom. You catch that double again that we've been hitting. A run, run. You push and click, hit that at the top. Then you're gonna step behind with your left foot, and your hands are gonna go hold up, hold up. So I'm doing a little footwork there in the middle. I'm just bringing my heels in. You're saying stop, stop. I roll this away, down, and I'm going out with this right knee. Zoop, to bring it in, whoop, up. Left hand grabbing your right arm. Boom, boom. 2 really hard hits. And try here. I'm not going like this, gung, gung, or gung, gung. I'm not making like an exaggerated movement. I'm just gung, gung. Using my core, using this standing leg and my arms, and I'm popping, I'm flexing to make that hit. Shoop, base, base. You're gonna go up. You're gonna take your heels out. You're gonna clack. You're gonna, Last move, and then we'll go back slow from the top, I promise. You're gonna go left, right, and go left, right, right. And I'm just scooping this as I go around, real chill. Yeah? All right. This one's a challenge, I told you guys. It's not easy, but it's gonna be worth it because it's really fun to dance once you get it down. So let's go from the very, very top, nice and slow. Put it all the way together up to that point. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Hold the 1. This ish always happens to me. Boom, boom, push. Ta, ta. A kick. A zoom, zoom. Ha. And a round drop down. Boom, boom, ta. Ta, ta, around and up, slow, chill, around, base, base, ka, ta, ta, a run, run, push, and hit, hold up and out, and a base, base, up, ga, ga, ya, ya, and 1, 2. Nice, so if anywhere along that way you got stuck, totally normal. Like I said, it's a hard combo, go back, practice it, but I'm gonna keep going on so you guys can learn the whole thing. After you come out of here, this is kind of in like the chill part before the chorus, so it's really, really relaxed. Don't think you have to be aggressive here. You're just gonna say no, and my knees kind of leave off to the left. Then I'm gonna go brush off. Then I'm gonna come around my head here. Then I'm gonna nod. She says like, yeah, there's a little something in the background you're gonna catch there. Yeah. Then I'm gonna take my left hand under my right hand. So left hand comes under, this comes around. I'm gonna unwind my wrists to hit base, base, dive. Then you have a really long time it's gonna feel like, and then you're gonna catch base. And you're gonna hit that back really clean. And you can have, after you hit back real clean, then it can kind of release a little bit. And you're gonna bring this right heel in twice. Push, push. You're gonna say, You're gonna bring this up, and then you're gonna drop down to scoop. And then we're in the chorus, and we're almost there. 2 more 8 counts. You guys are so close. So one more time, that new part. You went around, around. You said, You brush this off, around. You go, yeah. You push, and up, hit, base, base, through. Pull this back. And I keep doing this because when I did it yesterday with Trinity, I did this, but you can style your hands however you want. And then you're gonna bring this heel in twice. Push, push. You're gonna go forward, say nope. Then you're gonna scoop it up, drop it down, clean, together. Good. This goes doom, doom. You're gonna smack, right foot steps forward. Click. It's gonna go ta, 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 ta. You just pull that right hand across and your right knee turns back to the front. Then she says, girlfriend, and you can style this however you want. A lot of the girls were going around their head like this. I kind of like looked back at her. So whatever you want to do on that, but the timing is really important. It's doom, doom, got, girlfriend. So see how there's that little pause? Got, girlfriend. And then you have this little moment. So I'm going to bring my foot back to pull. At the same time, I'm going to reach for it. and I'm gonna grab and pull. So when you do this, you wanna make sure it's like, goes from girlfriend really smooth, and then it's tap and pull. Throw your hands up. You're gonna turn around over your left shoulder. Turn, 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 and rah. And this is like, don't think like, whoa, like we do in some of the other dances, that popular move. It's literally like, brrr, you're gonna hear the sound in the music. Brrr, it's like you stop it really clean. Then she's gonna say, you could hit it in the morning. So your hips are hitting back as your right hand hits across. Hit it in the, then you hit down past your legs, the knee goes in. So you can go out twice. Last part, run, run. She says, yeah, yeah. Then you dive this down and up. And the first one is with my right knee and my left arm, and then I switch, switch. And then freestyle. All right, and that's it, guys. If you're still watching the video, if you made it through the whole combo, amazing job. This one is a challenge, but I think it's really important that we balance between pieces that are really fun and have energy, like Tatiana. It's just kind of like a chill vibe, like full out. And then we have stuff like this that has more musicality, maybe has a floor section, some things we've never done before, and that way you can really keep growing. So let's go over just the chorus once, and then I'm gonna take you guys all the way back to the top. So the chorus is after we go here, you pull this up. This is your setup to go. Scoop and smack, tap, tap, girlfriend, tap, and pull, push, turn, 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 brrrah. Hit it in the morning and out, out, push, right, left, and a yeet, yeet, yeet. And then of course, give me a little freestyle. Don't just stop when you get to the last step of the choreography. Yeah. All right, here we go. From the very top, first we're gonna go nice and slow, you know the drill, and then we'll do it up to speed. So you got 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. This ish always happened to me. Boom, boom, ha, ta, ta. A punch and doom, doom, click. A 7 down, 8, 1 and 2. 3 and a 4 and 5, 6 and up, 7 down, 8, hit bass, bass, 2, 3 and a run, run, push and click, ta, ta, out in bass, bass, up, ta, ta, catch and 1, 2, say brush and a 5, head, 7 and 8, hit 1 and 2, bass and 5, 6, chorus, here we go. Scoop, 1 and wow, ta, ta, a girlfriend, hit, pop, and pull, push, turn, 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 brrrah. Hit it in the morning and knee goes out, run, 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 run. Freestyle, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, practice that one a couple times. Make sure you have the steps down. And then when you're ready, we're gonna go full speed so you can get it with the music. Here we go. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. This ish always happened to me. Boom, boom, click, tap, tap, keeps and zoom, zoom, hit and down, hop, boom, boom, hop, tap, tap, drowned and 5, 6, up and hey and doom, doom, throw, click, click, a run and push, got, ta, ta, an out and boom, boom, ta. Got, a hey, and groove. 2, brush off, boom, yeah. 7, 8, doom, doom, push, hey, and 5, 6, go, 7, chorus, 1 and 2, ta, ta, girlfriend, T, and push, and around, and brah, hit it in the morning, and out, yeah, yeah, and a groove, 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 freestyle, hey. All right, great job today, you guys, with this routine. As you can see, I'm a little out of breath. Hopefully you're out of breath too. If you've been dancing it full out, you for sure will be. Make sure you guys find us on Instagram, Steffanina, Epic Dance Videos. Upload your covers, don't forget subscribe. Hit the bell notifications. We're dropping all kinds of tutorials over here. I love you guys. I'll see you back in the studio soon.